Well, hello, good morning, everybody. We are live. It is FOMC Monday here, the 29th of July. Should be an interesting day here. So we're gonna try to take it easy today, guys. Let's not push it. Keep the size down. Only take decent trades. I am eyeballing a trade at the moment here. Kind of looking for a pullback here to midnight open price. So stop above the POC. Might actually be a slightly better price here. $149, $192. $912. $85. TP down at 720. I'm actually almost thinking we need to set it here. This might be better, actually. Yes, that looks really good. Just like that. Hey, good morning, Zexy. How are you? I'm doing all right. How are you? Ryan Entourage in the house. That's a pullback you're looking for? Yeah, I'm because we got the midnight open price down there, and we often go to this midnight open. Sometime after the open. So I'm looking for sort of an initial pop out of the open. And then rejection to go lower. I'm doing it on an eval though, so be careful, everybody. Primo, hey, good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. Angie is in the house. I have to say, Zexy, thank you again for the super chat yesterday. That's a couple super chats yesterday. Thank you so much for the support on the channel. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna take a break today. Trade safe, everybody. Good idea, Angia. Yeah, take it safe. Be safe. It is FOMC, so. Zexy in the house. Yeah, it looks like an eval trade. Why? Because I got big targets. We'll see how it goes. I might end up if we end up stalling out here in this bearish fair value gap, I might be looking to short it a little bit earlier. I have $200 profit in this account already. So worst case scenario, if I lose this trade, I'll be down roughly 100. Might actually give it a little bit more space. Stop up there. Yeah, it's a 50K account. It's my Blue Sky 50K eval. We'll see though. We got 10 minutes here to the bell. If this thing just rolls over right now, it might not happen, and it looks like it wants to. Yes, we do. Yes, I do. We broke out of it. I didn't really know how to see how we're gonna break out of it, but I feel like we clearly did. But we kind of formed this channel, which typically is a bullish channel, which I thought was a little bit interesting, because usually when we are trending down in a channel like this, we end up breaking to the top side, but downside, and it's still intact. Oh, really? So my diamond drawing isn't correct? Interesting. I don't know exactly how to frame it up then. Maybe I'm maybe I'm not really drawing it right. Daily chart? But it broke out of it, didn't it? So this is still intact, you mean? Or is it supposed to break? It's supposed to break to the downside. Oh, it's supposedly going lower now. Nice. Okay. Well, let's hope that this trade works out then. We just need to get a pop here out of the bell. If we can get a quick pop up to the 950s there, get a rejection off that level. We have a bearish fair value gap right in here, which I'm kind of eyeballing as the entry. We got to stop up there, so I'll be down 174 in this eval if this trade if it fails. So I guess Nick woke up with a headache this morning. If you guys noticed in the Discord, he posted saying that he woke up with a headache and there's not going to be any pre-market session. That sucks though. Sorry to hear that. We'll have to see how the market's going, guys. If it's super choppy, like if we find it's just choppy, I might end up ending the stream a little bit early today. I just don't want to take the risk of blowing any accounts on FOMC day. So yeah. Yeah, my best to Nick and those crazy monkeys. Yeah, maybe the monkeys were a little too crazy. We got about 6 minutes here till the bell, so I'm just going to fill my hot water with my electrolytes and creatine.
Let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up. Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually. Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise.
So it looks like we have about 8 people watching this morning in YouTube and 4 people in X. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in here. Let's see if we can't find a W trade out of the gate here. We're starting to get that push up here. My original idea was to enter short in this area, which might be the area to do it. We have this trend line, which has been, if you guys remember yesterday, this trend line had played out pretty nicely. We had this, some people took the trade on the break of this trend line right here. Really nice little push down, boom, back up there, rejected off of it, came down, and then we took it. As you can see, a high volume move across it there. So then it started becoming support here, made a move higher. Then we kind of stalled out, started looking more bearish. So hoping that we're going to get a little bit of a pop just above that. I can get my 2 micro entry. I mean, hopefully we don't push all the way up here. Worst case scenario, I'll be down 174 in my blue sky 50K eval here. So summertime blues, what can you do? Yeah. Come on, you're almost there. Just tag me in here, 950s. Tap me in. Let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always. Yeah, guys, if you don't drink creatine, I would definitely recommend it. It's good for your brain, it's good for your body, your muscles, and it's also like, especially on days where you're lacking sleep or if you're tired, it can help with brain function. And there's studies that say that creatine can help prevent dementia. Yeah, you definitely got to drink lots of water. So I just always start with electrolytes and creatine in the morning, and then obviously drinking water throughout the day. Olive oil? God bless creatine. Dementia sucks. Yeah, I know, right? See if we're gonna get this little pop we need here. Just get this entry. Looks like it's trying to get up there. Come on, get me in. Oh my God, really? Seriously? Well, you only see it here, guys. You only see it here. You get your order edged, and then price is gonna rip right to my TP. Now watch. What the heck, man? Seriously? Can you believe that? What the heck, man? What? Come on. Your FOMO always gets you in early? Oh, jeez. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Are you serious right now? WTF, man. WTF. I can't believe that. I should have had this, you know, now looking at it, I'm like, I put it right at 950. 27,950. I should have been at 29.49. Oh. Well, I don't really want to take the trade now if it decides to come back up, because that was kind of, this is the whole trade idea right there, playing out right in front of our eyes. So I'm gonna I'm gonna cancel these orders now. Jesus, man, are you serious? Like, it literally edged it right to the, oh my God. Can you believe that, Ryan? Like, what the heck, eh? Nice 4-hour MNQ downtrend. Good job. 4-hour 2-bar reversal. Really. You can't make that stuff up right there. You can't make it up. It's like literally touched my line, like, $950. It was priced at $950, right? Yeah, $950. Okay, so my line was at, my entry was at $950. This got to $49.75. $49.75. Are you freaking serious? I mean, yeah, see, I wouldn't be looking for this trade now. Like, this was the whole idea. I wanted to get a quick pop with a rejection. I probably would have scaled out, you know, one contract at the low here, and then went in the money in the remaining contract. So I probably would have got stopped out on the remaining contract by now. But, like, what the heck, guys? What the heck? Can't make this stuff. Maybe I should try it with 1 micro again. I don't know. I think I'm just going to take a stab at it anyways here. Come on, give me a pop up to the 50s. There we go. Let's give it I'm going to give it a stab anyways here, guys. Let's see if we can't oops. Gonna reduce the target a little bit though. Ryan, you went long. Nice. Born hunting, everything's good. It's good. So the reason I'm taking this trade though is it's that midnight open price is a draw on liquidity. I'm risking, I guess it's risking about like 100, what is this? 107 points. So 200, a little over $200. I have $200 profit in this account. So I'm kind of like putting the profit on the line here to make a move lower here. 140 points lower, which would be 280 profit. We need this thing to break back down below this this trend line though. If we get a strong closure above the POC though, I might consider closing this before it tags into my contract. So I'll try to wait for a closure of a 5-minute candle here. Hopefully it doesn't just go straight up. If it does, so be it. So you made 180 on the short and then 80 on the long. Nice, bro. Good for you. How is everything this beautiful morning? Everything's going all right. 1 micro. Nice, man. Beautiful. Keeping it tight. Yeah, I know. iMicro. It's like the newest version of micro contracts. It's like an iPhone, but it's an iMicro. Yeah, poor Mr. Nick. He woke up. He posted in the Discord general chat there that he's no pre-market today. Woke up with a nasty headache. So we are live here. Don't think Nick will be joining us, but it's all good. The guy needs a rest sometimes, when you're a maniac trading so many accounts. No. Okay, let's see. Is it going to play out? It's going pretty good so far here. All right, let's go. Let's see if we can't get this. Oh, you woke up with a headache, Born Hunted? Oh, damn. Damn. Come on, Bears. I'm usually not the bearish trader guy here, so let's see if we can't get a move down. Come on. All my short-term trades are sell-side related now? Really? Well, sells tend to move faster anyways. Orders down there at 850. We've got to rip right through the 850s and then just keep going here. Come on. Targeting those 761s here. We got about 60 contracts there at 750. 775 has about 55 contracts. Yes, I am short right now. I got short at around the 750 or 950 area. 1 micro. Stop above the pre-market highs there. And targeting 761 to the downside here. I'll probably once we get down to the value area low here, which is right around the 800 level, I'll probably bring my stop sort of like 850, just above 850s, and just kind of like guarantee to lock in a decent amount of profit with the hopes that we're still going to continue lower. Come on, boys. Let's go. It's called Bookmap Born Hunting. So it's all the orders on the Bookmap. Like, so this is all the live orders on the market. So as you can see where it's red, typically there's a bunch more orders. We have 77 contracts at 850 and looks like about 44 at 840. And then, you know, some more below that, 825, and a bunch coming on at 800. So that's why I'm going to be a little more aggressive with this. I'll be aggressive sort of with the stop here if we get down to the 800 area, because that could definitely be a bounce point. So Bookmap. So it's a little bit expensive to have it, because it's, for one, it's about $40 a month just to have their software, and then you got to add in a data feed to it. So if you're only trading NQ and ES, you can buy just the CME data, but if you want to trade YM or any of the commodities, there's a bundle package that you can get that'll like give you all of them. What I just use Bookmap Global package. So there's, if you get like Global Plus, then you can add like more indicators. There's like iceberg orders and some other interesting sort of like indicators that are Bookmap specifically. Booknaps. Yeah, let's take a sleep on the Booknap. We're getting closer to a larger break out to the downside, in my opinion. Stay in if you're thinking that it's happening. Well, that's kind of this idea behind the trade. So we've been relatively bearish lately. So we'll see if we can't get a little bit more of a push down here. Need to get through these orders at 850 and then, you know, all the way down to 800. We have a bunch of orders. So I guess if you're a serious trader, then it's a tool. Yeah, it's definitely a valuable tool. There are other options, like some people like footprint charts, which are similar. It would show you candles, and then it would show you where the volume is on those candles. Like, so these guys over here, which is just an add-on, are recent 15-minute candles, and they show the Bookmap, or the the footprint chart. Yeah, Bookmap's awesome. I'm kind of considering adding into this guy. I just don't know exactly where. Maybe if we pop back up to 924 and find some resistance in this area, that might not be a bad place to add one more contract. But I think at this point, it would be nice to just see it break down. I'd be okay with just one micro. This is kind of, you know, 193 points, so it'd be like $400 winner. Come on, boys. Let's go, Bears. They're having trouble getting past this level, though. This 70s, sort of at the 70s here. We got this bullish fair value gap from pre-market right here. We got one also below it down at 840s. Hey, Jerry. Good morning, buddy. How you doing? Jerry Trades in the house. You looking for a big trading day with FOMC? No FM trades. FN trades. No, I'm not. Thank you for the super chat yesterday, mister. Okay, gang, I made a few hundred, recover my accounts. Thanks. Thank goodness I'm out for the day. Got to get to work. Be careful out there with FOMC. It's a weird one. Yes. That's why I'm trading in eval this morning. Willing to put a little bit of risk on here with the eval. You trade swing with 6-month horizon. I am here because I think we're going to break soon. Nice. Well, I think that was my opportunity for an add-in. Yeah, Jerry, we broke 1900 yesterday, and I think we're at about 1913. 1,913 subscribers, yes. So hopefully if I can put in a good week of evening sessions, we can get there sometime by next week. So Born Hunting, you entered short. All right, well, I hope this trade plays out for us. It's pretty good that we haven't got back above my price, which I'm okay with that. We did manipulate higher, found resistance at the previous day's point of control. Now we're looks like we're trying to push lower here. We still have these orders a little bit less on the book map now. We got some so we got 78 contracts at 62. So it got a little heavier there, 79. And then we have 63 at 850. 837, we got 57. 800, we got 73. What is NQ showing us? The big boy contracts here. NQ's got some at 850, but it's not looking too heavy. Here we go. Come on. Take the 850s. Let's just rip right through all these guys here. There we go. Take them. Take them all. Yep. Keep going. All right. So I'm going to consider moving my stop here to the 860s, basically. Just above 860s. If we get down to 800. So as soon as I get down to 800 here, I'm going to probably lock this in. Really need a push down here. I haven't dropped this yet. I still have this stop order in my hand here. There we go. We're at 820s. Come on, let's keep going here. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. So I haven't dropped this stop loss order yet. Starting to pop a little bit. Come on, guys. Don't slow down now. Come on. Hold those 50s and go lower here. Let's get us below. It'd be really nice in the next minute we can close below 814. Then I don't see any reason why this trade isn't going to play out here. Come on, boys. Spy controls direction. Yeah, that's fair. It's fair. I mean, it's the big contract, right? The 500 companies. Yeah, there we go. Keep going. Get us down there. 25 seconds. We need to get a closure below 14 would be ideal. I mean, it doesn't break the trade or anything, but come on. Come on, Bears. Don't do this. Here we go. New candle. Let's take the 800s on this candle. We can take the 800s on this candle. We're looking golden for hitting that target down at the 760s here. Come on, boys. Let's go. Here we go. Yep. Push right through there. Push right through there. Take those 8s. Take those 8s. Watching the book map there, we just took the 8s in the 790s. Come on, keep flushing here. Find a little bit of resistance here at the 800s. Okay, I'm going to put my stop just above this fair value gap for now. Come on, just tag it. Just tag it. Come on, get there. Get there. Taking it. I took it off there, guys. Beautiful trade there. Oh, my Lord. What a goodie. What a goodie. What a nice little trade there out of the gate. $364 on 1 micro. Bam. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, decent start to the morning. That was in an eval. Unfortunately, it wasn't a funded. I should have taken that in a funded. You locked in 315, Born? Nice job, bro. Nice job. Beautiful. There's no other profession like trading, man. Imagine a lawyer saying, okay, I'm locking in half my profits just in case we're totally guilty and we lose. Thank you, brother. W's. You did your cash account? Nice. That's always nice. Then you can, you know, you're getting dinner tonight. Look at that. I didn't even need to take it early. Let's see if we're going to actually get to the... So the real idea is the midnight open price here. Let's see if we're going to get there. 717. Look at this thing. Still going here. Jesus. My Lord. You got to tag this midnight open price here. Come on. You're so close. 717. So I took it off at what? 71. I took it at 71. But I didn't want to like risk it, right? Like just I'm not going to be a D for a T. But that's close enough there. Midnight open price. Beautiful trade. Damn it. Woo! Should have done it in the funded accounts, hey guys? Very nice. Somebody's going to the keg or to a steakhouse tonight. Wow. Okay, now what are we going to do, guys? That trade played out. I should definitely clip this trade for a video. So, July 29. Instead of taking profits early, I started moving my stop loss further into profit just in case price keeps going. Hey, nice. Yeah. I mean, we might just keep going down here. Previous day low might be the target, right? So you're still in that trade, FN? No need to risk a few points to lose 30% of the win? Yeah, for sure. I'm planning on a bottom in the next 45 days. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we've been in a really, really strong bearish trend here for some time. Night Build Audio, good morning, new account. Am I right? Yes, it's a new account every day. Treat it as so. Just looking for the trading the plan here. Turned out to be a really nice opening trade there. Damn, look at that. We're still going lower here. Finding some nice push down here. Wondering maybe we're just gonna sweep the 640s and then bounce. I don't know. We'll see. You're thinking we keep going down 7,300 or so. Oh, to 27,300. I mean, I would just be at least, you know, the reasonable target for me is 600s at the most for now. But if we get a nice strong closure below the previous day low, I don't see why we can't get lower. I mean, 300 is pretty far. I don't know that I would. I mean, it can do it. Obviously, it is NQ, but 300 is pretty far. But if that's your trade strategy, bro, I mean, it's working out pretty good already. Go down this keyboard, right? So this Blue Sky account is $2,150 into profit now, locked in $565 now between yesterday's trade and today's trade, last night's trade and this morning's trade. So 565 profit here. Need about, you know, 850, right? Yeah, $850 to pass this guy. So maybe I'll end up having a Blue Sky funded account in the not too distant future. You're thinking we keep going down until the daily 200 EMA, I think, is around 27,300. Yeah, it's far. I think not today, but maybe this week. So that leap competition I had accidentally left open and was down 5K, and you're up again. It's self-corrected. Nice. Okay, Primo. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Stay green, my friends. Yes, sir. We're trying to stay green here. You got 5 Lucid 50K. Each one's 1,000 away from funded. Nice, bro. That's great. I like it. Keep trading those guys, FN. Keep it slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Now that you're in the home stretch, right? Just look for those small base hits. Keep stacking those. You're going to get there real soon. Today's not the day to push it though on those funded accounts. They're trying to get them funded because it is FOMC, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if we end up sort of like popping back into the range, stopping out the shorts, and then just playing around up there, just enticing people into getting into longs, into shorts, into shorts, into longs, and kind of like just playing around. So just be careful today. So we got some news. Iraq only government authority responds to attacks on the territory. Iraq's PM, the Security Council, directs a foreign ministry to pursue illegal actions over the U.S. Saudi strikes. Interesting. 1 trade per day and locking it out, win or loss. It's weird how patience changes everything. Yeah, dude. Good for you. I like it. I like it. Hey Dave, what a crazy day yet again. Yes, sir. I caught a banger trade in an eval this morning. $360 on 1 micro. Beautiful. I shorted the sort of the 27,950 area, and then I was targeting midnight open, draw on liquidity, ended up closing the trade sort of at the 70s here, 27,770s. So caught a pretty good banger on that trade. Price looks like it's trying to climb here a little bit, but finding a little resistance in this bearish fair value gap. Weird trading? Weird trading? Oh no? What's weird? I'm taking profits over anything over 20 bucks. Okay, yeah, I mean slow and steady, slow and steady. locking in those greens pays in the long term. Sort of forced my mentality to change by purchasing 5 accounts at once. Only traded one account would feel like 200 win is nothing. Yeah, for sure. Just make sure you respect it in the other way too, that if you take a loss, it can be pretty big. Yeah, we gained some nice subs yesterday. We broke the 1900 level, so we're at like 1913 now, which is pretty freaking awesome. So thank you for the support, you guys. Really bless the channel. Need more coffee. Was writing more AI music last night. Apparently 400 milligrams to 500 milligrams of caffeine is perfect. From the Heart Association. How do you calculate how many milligrams of caffeine? Are you taking like pills for that? Not just drinking coffee or what? Or can you kind of like roughly calculate it by how many cups of coffee you're having? Had a little similar short off orb low. Took profit already. Now waiting to see what happens at IB. Okay, yeah, fair enough. We got about 23 minutes here till the IB set. Typical cup of coffee has 100 to 200 milligrams. Gotcha. So I didn't have a chance there to switch over my accounts, but I did take a little short there on my Lucid funded accounts. Actually, I took one long and one short. So one account's up $74. The other account, actually, I copy traded the first long. And I tried to move the stop a little bit because I wasn't happy with where it ended up, because I have some pre-marked up stops. But I couldn't get to my second account in time to move it. So one got stopped out. The other one ended up staying alive, and I made $74. So then I ended up taking a short on the second account after I got stopped out in the first trade, and recovered back to positive 33 from a negative 60, or negative. It was a negative $40 trade because I had a little bit of profit in there. So ended up, so I'm up 33 in one funded account on Lucid Flex, and I'm up 74 in the other funded account, Lucid Flex. So we're probably going to look now, not going to trade my Take Profit Trader Pro. That guy's up 180 from yesterday. I do have Top One Futures 100K account. I could trade that one. And the Blue Sky's up 565, so I don't really need to touch that one anymore. So if I'm going to take any more trades, I'll take it on this Top One Futures 150K account. So let me just log out of here, switch back into Top One Futures. Seems like shorting the pops here is the way to go. Don't overdo the caffeine. It can do harm, in my opinion. Yeah, but I'm 51 and have 2 kids under 6. I need it. Oh, damn, bro. I feel you. I'm probably going to be, hopefully I'll be in your situation one day. I would definitely want to have a kid still, and I'm getting up there at the age already too, so I'm going to need that coffee. Drank 300 milligram Bang drink for 2 weeks, 4 to 5 a day. Oh, damn. Well, that's way too much, I think. Ended up in the hospital. Yeah, I could see that happening. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that's not good. Agree. Have to listen to your body. Glad you ended up okay and here with us. Yeah, that's pretty, damn. That's pretty bad. That's pretty scary. You were 200 pounds, now you're 150. It helps your bones. Your bones help yell at you a lot. Okay. Yeah, I mean, good for you for losing the weight because, yeah, that's obviously, you know, it's not very healthy being too heavy. So glad that you've found a nice balance. Wow, 4 to 5 per day is a lot, right? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, geez, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, you need more muscle. Yeah, for sure. But usually when you're carrying extra weight, your muscles are usually pretty decent, aren't they, typically? You drink half a pot yourself? Yeah, I usually have a couple. I usually have like about 1 or like 2 cups a day. But I'm still currently working on my electrolytes. Still just working on the electrolytes here. Buyers and sellers having a little bit of a battle here. Trying to see if we can't get a push down below here. Took that off. Beautiful little scalp there. All right. Nice. What did I make there? $144, guys, on that little push down in my top one futures 100K. So this guy's just up to $900 in profit now. 2 micros, 144 bucks, just like that. Pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy. I got to get better at this trading short situation here. So got to switch my bias. Lately, I've been a little too bullish. I keep thinking, oh, we pushed down so far. If I buy it here and we get back to the VWAP, I can make a lot of money. But it's like not the right thing to do. It's just not the right thing to do. Trend is your friend. Yeah, nice. I scalped some of that as well. Up 100 in this new account. Baby steps. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, I was thinking we're probably going to sweep these lows, this pre-market lows at some point. There we go. I'm pretty aggressive on taking profits though. Like I could have held that longer, but I just like to, you know, with the wick here, there was a good chance that we might just bounce right at that level and hold the wick. So that's kind of like where I'm like, okay, well, if I'm going to take a short, I just need to lock it in here. So could have made 1.4K with 2 minis. More risk though. Yeah, I know. That's the thing though. It's like, damn. Right? 140 times. No, even with 1 mini, isn't it? Because if I made, oh yeah, you're right. Two, because I had 2 micros. I see what you're saying. But had that decided to bounce against me all the way up here, then I would have lost, you know, lost 1400 real fast. You've taken a lot of nut shots today, but I've resolved to be calm about it. Fair enough, Mr. Hawk Flies. Fair enough. Locked the account already green. Gotcha. Nice. Green day today. Yes, sir, Zexy. I caught a nice short out of the gate in the blue sky eval. Locked in. How much was it? This is a trade I took here earlier. 1 micro. Went short here at 27,954, and then closed it at 27,771. 364.50 on that trade. Locked in a little bit of green on my Lucid funded flex accounts. One's up 74, the other one's up 33. I didn't trade my take profit trader account, still up 180 from yesterday's evening session. Top one futures 100k, locked in $151. Oh yeah, I do have this top one futures. Oh, I'm up 265 already in the top one futures eval, so I could put a little bit of risk on the line there. Thank you, Zexy. Thank you. And again, thanks so much for the super chat yesterday. That was really appreciate it. The man blessing the channel, so keeping the dream alive. This YouTube survive and making money. Hopefully one day I can get to the point where I can just only be on YouTube. Don't have to worry about other jobs. Just make more trading content, and just, you know, it's kind of the dream, right? So thank you, sir. FN Trades, thank you also for that super chat. And also Kyle Shees with a nice super chat yesterday. Jonathan Stonks also threw in a $5 super chat before the stream even started. This guy. So appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the super chats. Like, feels amazing. Also makes me feel a little bad because, like, I want you guys to make money, but I appreciate the support. So I'm not going to complain one bit. Wow, ES, guys. ES is below previous day low here, and it bouncing back up a little bit. YM also pushing down. NQ is the most bullish out of the three. We got a divergence. Got to keep an eye out here for ES. See what's going to happen here. Maybe we're going to end up being able to, like, take a long or get into a nice trade on near FOMC. I don't know if I should stick around that long, or else I'm gonna maybe we'll try to pass an eval. I don't know. Let me just see. I gotta check the risk managements on this guy. Night Build Audio, $5. Thank you, bro. Thank you for that. Appreciate you, man. That's crazy. Jesus. Appreciate that, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. On that note, I was we should share your channel in here also. Where is it? AI songs. Where did it go? There it is. You guys check out Nightbuild Audio's channel here. So he's puts together, he writes AI music, and so far it's pretty amazing. Actually, I'll put on my favorite song so far, which is, I mean, they're all the four that he gave already are pretty awesome, but this one just kind of where did it go? This one right here. Wait for confirmation. Really like this one. So head over to Nightbuild Audio's YouTube channel. Give him a subscribe. And thanks again for the super chat there. Let's crank this up a little bit. Enjoy this song. It's amazing now that people can just come up with ideas, put lyrics together, and then AI can kind of like fill in the music, and it's just amazing, right? We're living in an interesting time now, guys, where even if you don't have the best voice, you can still make some amazing music. And yeah, these songs are definitely a good example of that. So and it applies really good to the trading situation. Waiting for confirmation is huge. So just taking a quick look at the book map here, we do have a bunch of orders still down at 27,600. They just thickened up not that long ago. 176 contracts down there. Might end up trying to short here. Let's see if we can't get tagged in on this guy. Sort of targeting just a little bit above previous day low. So if we get an entry here, we can put a... Looks like I may have missed it though. My entry was a little bit high compared to what that price got to. I thought we were going to get another push back up there, but maybe we're not. Looks like we're going to head right down to the 600s right now. Oh, that's too bad. We kind of missed that opportunity. It was worth a try though. I'm going to close out this order. Good little attempt there, but
market doesn't know me. Trades, it only offers different ways. Every move I choose to make should improve.
Trying to take those orders at 600 now.
One clean entry, one clean exit. Small enough to always fix it. Professional every day. That's the only winning play.
Quiet mind, steady hands. Every winner starts with
There we go. We took the 600s there. Down to 590s. Wow, what a push down here, guys. Jeez, look at this thing going. Oh my god. What a freaking push down there. Didn't foresee that coming. Did not see that coming. Oh yeah, I guess so. You're thinking that 200 level, weren't you? Damn. Buyers got effed, right?
wait for confirmation.
Bottom 1/4 of ES, take TC 7385. 4 hour. Buyers are kind of holding a little bit of this low here, just covering shorts probably.
Economic calendar, every level marked so far. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The patient trader stays strong. The crowd is running, I'm standing still. The best decisions need no thrill. Wait for confirmation.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Made this song yesterday. Turned out pretty nice.
Carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you.
Initial balance just set right there, guys.
What you give away finds its way back home.
We got 120 contracts right above price right here. Are they going to take those orders? Sort of at 84 or so, 85. They're looking like they're trying to gobble them up here. There we go. Took some of them. The rest of them are gone there. Are they going to push back up above the 600s at the moment? Let's see. I'm going to give it a little pop here before they decide to go lower, or what?
And there's none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning whether fast or slow, and every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can lock the door.
Producer Market Butcher AI channel for the trading music, over 1 million subs. Wow. Imagine, yeah. Well, hey, head over to Night Builds. Make sure you guys give Night Builds channel a follow. Hey, Peter Hartman in the house. Good morning. Like drop. And Clee. How are you doing, Clee? Good morning. FOMC day here. We get another bearish day. We caught a banger right out of the gate, guys. We're closed up 365 in the blue sky eval. Beautiful trade here, this one right here. So I caught this guy up here on the little bounce, entered at 954, pushed all the way down, closed it at 771, targeting midnight open price. It did end up getting all the way to midnight open price on the next candle here. Then we kind of bounced and then pushed way lower. So beautiful shorts on the trade on the session today. ES making new lows here, and we did finally sweep the low of the New York session with NQ. So is this the time where we're gonna pump? Maybe we're gonna pump. I don't know.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right.
Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Okay, let me see here. We got don't. What a little push off the lows there, guys. We did sweep the previous day's New York low. So where is this bounce going to go to? I mean, maybe we're heading to the VWAP here, guys. Or are we going to head lower? Actually, the volume isn't super high yet. We only have 1 minute left on this candle. So let's keep an eye. I'm going to wait for this candle to close here. If we can invert this fair value gap, so if we can close above 646 in the next 1 minute candle, that's definitely a promising sign. Maybe we can target a trade back to the 700s, back to a midnight open price. But first things first, we need to get a closure above 644. And I mean, technically, we could target the VWAP here, maybe at 750s. But we're going to need a pump first here. Going to need a pump first. KT in the house. Peter, are you still around? How was your session this morning? Have you taken any trades? All right, well, we did not take that fair value gap yet, so we're gonna have to wait for this next 5-minute candle to close if we're gonna get more of a bullish move. If not, we might end up just heading lower here. So the criteria is we want a candle closure above the bearish fair value gap. But I feel like there's a chance we might get a bounce here. We did sweep the New York sessions low. So hopefully we can get a closure above there. Looks like we got a comment in the chart here, the chat from Amin. Short 27,915 with a TP down there targeting 27,372. So looks like he's looking at a potential short here targeting 27,372. Thanks for sharing, Amin.
Again.
Next song here. Let's see. Who let the dogs trade, guys? This is the remake of Who Let the Dogs Out, but trading. 550 point short. Hit it. Can you hold through those close though? You hope until it hits there before close today? Pretty risky day to be taking a huge trade like that though. Hey guys, the one that I showed, Amin's trade, especially with FOMC. We don't know. FOMC might just make this thing just rip all the way back up to previous day's point of control. I think I gotta get the coffee machine going here. Almost done the electrolyte. Let's make some coffee. You know, the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Hey Nick, no worries, bro. We get it. I let the chat know that you're not feeling good. Headaches are the worst, especially when you got to use your brain to trade. So, thanks for checking in, though. Good to see you. Maybe head back, try to get some more sleep, drink lots of water, you know. And today's not a bad day to you know, to not trade, anyways. So. The news is like, I think it's 11 a.m. my time. So, about 3 hours from now, I think.
Coffee's hot, the charts are too. VWAP says, I'm watching you. Dad walks in with socks and slides. Son, your profits got supersized. I said, I'm waiting for confirmation. He said, so you're dating the market now?
Yes, sir. Feel better than Mr. Nick.
Except the guy on YouTube who changes his bias every 15 minutes. Buy the dip, only if it fits. Trust your plan.
Buy the dip only if it fits, guys.
Bad jokes, trust day trades. Everybody's laughing while the market fades.
So we did sweep initial balance low there, guys. Let me just mark this up here, this level here. Label this up. IB low. Okay. FOMC correct. I'm so hydrated I may float away. Going back to bed. Okay, Nick. Yeah, today's FOMC. Yes, sir. It's just another one of those days. Don't worry, bro. We're hanging out. We're holding down the fort. No FOMO, only YOLO. Was it Hawkflies? Did you make this song? I think so.
My wife asked, how's trading? I said,
It's complicated.
she asked, are you winning? I said,
I've got great experience.
one more set.
I've got great experience.
Don't click, don't click. Buy the dip, respect VWAP. Don't move stocks, that's a trap. Market butcher, ring the bell. Trade your plan, laugh as well. No FOMO, only YOLO. Everybody sing it loud. Only YOLO. Trading family. Make us proud. Dad looked at my P&L. He said, looks like you're outstanding.
I smiled.
Really?
He said,
Nobody likes a headache, though, right, guys? Nobody likes a headache.
The funded account. Coffee's hot, the charts are too. VWAP says, I'm watching you. Dad walks in with socks and slides. Son, your profits got supersized. I wanna show you something. Wanna show you something. I know you wanna see it. Wanna show you
Coffee's brewing. Morning drink's almost done. Market is going down. Locked in profits in multiple funded accounts plus evals. Let's see how this ends up going here. I would be interested to see us get a bounce back to the VWAP or something here pretty soon. It just seems like it's too clean of a day for a FOMC day here. There we go. Coffee's up, guys. Might be a downtrend day. Yeah, I mean, could be. So we did close right on IB low there. And now we're getting a bit of a green candle here. Let's see how this ends up playing out. We do have those orders down at 500. They might need to take those first if they're going to decide to go higher. Or they might just go right through those orders at 500 and just keep going down. Maybe we got orders down at 480 and some down at 450. So quite a bit of space to the downside still.
Dave.
It's hard to hold it that long though, hey Lafta? I mean, look at my trade too. If I would have held that one, I sold it at 770 here. Damn, I would have held that thing. Jeez, 770 down to 532. Yeah, no green at all right now. Hey FN, how did that trade work out for you? You trailed it. Did you end up getting stopped out on that one pullback? I guess it would have been the 10:05 a.m. candle.
5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader.
Hi, Ralph.
A professional account
You okay?
derailer.
You thirsty?
I see a breakout candle, then I panic, buy a trailer.
I will be back in a moment, guys. I'm just gonna deal with Ralph real quick. I think he might need to go to the bathroom. So give me a minute.
Jim Blab says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait. Angia posts the whole schedule while I'm entering too late. Kyle says hit the like button. Randy says wait for VWAP. I say nah, this thing's mooning, then immediately get trapped. Hey! Value area high, value area low. Everybody knows where price should go, except me. Frank the Great Pyrenees watches. Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands risk. Even the ducks know when to quit. But somehow I still average down while the whole chat's watching it. I'm an Amish trader, a stop loss violator. I turn a tiny paper cut into a full excavator. I'm an Amish trader, the drawdown navigator. I could lose money on a trade with insider information. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Already regretting this. Boner candle, straight to heaven, then it dumps. Like every single time. The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage Princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an Amish trader, a chart annihilator. But tomorrow morning I'll probably do it all again. Accordion slowing down, trade like adults, unlike me. Quack, quack. Good night, everybody. name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bumped
Hey, Kyle, she's in the house. Hey, Kyle, thanks again for that super chat yesterday. Really, that was more than generous. I really appreciate that. Thank you, sir.
Thought my setup looked pretty swell.
You stepped away for a bit. I guess the market is just giving up on no trades for me in the New York session. I only traded Asia. Now my full-time work schedule kind of demands it. There you go. I mean, that's smart. So we kind of are popping a little bit here. Held the IB low so far. First test trade. Let's see if we can get back above previous day low. That would be really nice. We do have a bunch of orders there up at 600 and above that. So this could just be short covers. So we'll have to see how this ends up playing out. But it makes me obsess over trading though, and since I can watch price move literally 10 hours a day. I know, right? Thanks, Kyle. Thank you again.
Frank the Great Pyrenees watches. Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race.
It could be deceptive, Lauren. So I wouldn't really. Well, once we get above previous day low, that would be a little bit better of a sign, right? Coffee time.
City lights flicker, late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves.
If I get a payout and donate the cost of 25K eval, can you full port it on stream? Sure, if you want. That's I would hate to blow it though really fast. That would suck. But sure, that would be entertaining. Totally. So I did take the same trade as Czar. Don't really want to entice anybody into doing this trade though. This isn't in my top one futures 50K eval here. Did take a little bit of drawdown on it, so just hoping that we're going to get a closure above the 600s here on this candle. We got 1 minute and 22 seconds. 3 micro long. So probably 648, 640, maybe 640. We can try to sell one. 655. And then targeting probably the bottom of this guy, 690, 688. Come on, Bulls. Let's go a little bit. No? Yeah, I mean, this might not play out. Might not play out.
City lights flicker, late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm.
Can get an Apex eval to port for 19 bucks. That's true. That is true. Every trade I've placed ever is like, this might not work. Yeah.
Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step.
Don't do it. I don't like that candle, guys.
Dropping schedules right on time. Your dream saying you dirty every night. J-Mon yelling hit the light. Top 40 stacking payouts right. Miss bringing all the hype. Got laughing through another spot.
Let's have some coffee here. Cheers, everybody. Cheers to the coffee, the fresh Folgers cup. Folgers in your cup in the morning. Well, I like that we swept it and then we popped. So let's see. Let's see. Really need a closure above the 600s here, above the previous day low. Looking for a retrace towards the VWAP. It doesn't have to get all the way there. But that's kind of the idea behind the trade here. Looking for VWAP to sort of be the draw on liquidity, but maybe not here. If we get a pretty strong closure below previous day low, definitely gonna have to cut this bad boy here. I was trying to add into it at the 500s. I thought we might head to the 500s, putting a little more risk here on this eval. Don't want to blow the eval though. So it would be nice if this thing would just pop a bit. Let's get us back above the 600s here, buyers. We've been short. We've been pretty short here from the start of the session. You know, pretty heavy. Down 475 points from the high. So I don't see why. It's not unrealistic to think we can't get a little pop up into the, 660 area. Maybe 680s, but we got to get above the 600s. It's just a regular roast coffee, just like a standard regular Folgers blend. I don't know if it's, I think it's a light roast. It looks like it's a medium roast. Folgers classic coffee medium roast. Come on, let's get this pop here. We broke the 600s. But we got orders up at 625, 650. So if we can just gut through those, we're looking golden here. Come on, let's go, boys. Let's see a little pop here. We got the hourly candle now. 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's see if this hourly candle can push us up higher here.
FVG VWAP.
Come on, come on. 15-minute close bullish engulfing, first time this session. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Come on, guys. Look at that, guys. All the way back down to my entry almost. Just took a partial at 640. I probably should have also. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Iraq's Tradeify Hezbollah response could target U.S. tools in Saudi Arabia. Well, we don't like that. It's fake news, fake news. Come on, market. Do not react to that headline. Do not react to that headline. It's not real. Come on, let's get a pop here. Let's get a pop. Iraqi Kataib Hezbollah would give government until August 6th to show it can defend Iraqi sovereignty. Okay, okay. All right, here, getting this pop here. Come on, let's take these off. I'm gonna actually I'm taking one there. Got one out there. See if we can't get another little pop here. Get up above the 640s, 650s area. Come on. Gonna lower this TP a little bit. Come on. Come on. Let's give us a pop here.
Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open.
Come on, let's see the 50s here.
Let's go.
What do you guys think? Should I take another one off here? Yeah, I'm thinking about just taking one more and then... Come on, get it up there. Just take this one more off and then... Oi. Why? Why are you doing that? Come on. Little pop here. 48. You're thinking 25% IB retrace? Five-minute ES pull up and down move, looking for short. Scaring me there. I'm taking one off there. Taking one off there. I'm gonna lock in below this bottom of this candle here. See if we can't get it to push higher here. Come on, boys. Let's go. Don't pull us all the way down here. So this micro is a 532 entry. Stop is at 578. You're gonna stop me out, man. Come on. Don't do it. Seems to march up with your book map as well. We got the orders up at 650, 675, and 700 here. Come on, let's make a new high here.
Better miss a good trade than enter a bad one. Better miss a good trade than enter a bad one. One piece of wood burning forever.
One piece of wood burning forever, guys. Oh, what do we got in the background here? We don't have the fireplace. What happened? You like the AI green looking screen with the butterflies and whatnot, or what? There we go. It's much more warm when we got the fireplace going. Chop time? We do have this bearish fair value gap that we're in right now. That's why we're not really getting a huge momentum. We got a bunch of orders above 650, 75, and 700 above 1, 2, 300, a little over 300 contracts just between 50 and 700, 650 and 700.
Let's go.
Ready? Ready? Ready for a glow.
Red, orange is sell orders. Yeah, so if it's above price, they're going to be sell orders. If it's below price, they're going to be buy orders. So it's going to be red and orange up or above or below. It doesn't matter if it's above or below, but yeah. Just if you know if it's above the price, then it's going to be a sell order. If it's below the price, it's going to be a buy order. So we got a minute and a half left. Hopefully we can close it up here around 650 at least, just above that bearish fair value gap, which is so 643. Be nice. It'd be nice to get a little push. If we could close up above the 60s or into the 70s, that would be like really nice. But we'll see. We'll see. Got a minute left here. Well, I mean, so I look at the contracts on the book map more as like a draw on liquidity, right? So price wants to go to where the orders are. Now, often we're going to dip into prices like this we did here and get like a 10, 15, 20 pullback, but it's just kind of going to build some momentum and then hopefully continue higher. Obviously, there's no guarantee even with book map, but like, so if you were long from the lows, maybe you're pretty high amounts, you could like sort of front run these orders. So like, you know, you see that there's a whole bunch at 650, maybe take profits at like 648 kind of idea. Maybe cover most of your trade at 648 and then just kind of, so we did not invert that fair value gap, unfortunately. It was really close. But yeah, just knowing where the orders are, just, you know, and the more you watch it, you start to realize kind of what happens. Sometimes they're going to pull the orders and they won't fill it, and it'll just go higher. Sometimes, you know, you're going to get a rejection off those levels.
Take your profit. Take your profit. Take for a take. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Come on, guys.
Ready? Ready for a blowback. Let's go.
Looking like it wants to come down and stop me out here. Getting below the 600s. Yep, we're out. We're out. All right, well, that worked out pretty good. Up 192 in that account. So I made 50, 79, and 90 between the three contracts. So 90, 90 and 80, 170 plus 50, 200 and whatever. So I did have a little bit of drawdown actually, because I did take a stop out a little bit earlier. So I was down a little bit in that account. So forgot to even ask, how was Asia session? Yeah, it was pretty good. I was green. I took an eval trade, and I took a funded trade. I got 180 in my take profit trader account, and I got I think it was about 200 in one of my evals. So yeah, expect volatility today, guys. It is FOMC. You know, like we might still go retest a VWAP, but you know, I didn't want to let this trade go completely against me and end up taking a loss on the last contract. So I just got to step away for a minute, use the bathroom. I will be right back. Don't do anything crazy while I'm gone. I mean, if you do, hopefully it works out.
One micro, one my trade. One clean setup and get paid. No revenge, no despair. Tomorrow's market still be there. Think is sleeping, rough says woof. Dogs got better discipline than half the room. Hey, smart money, smart money. Everybody clap your hands. Hey, smart money, smart money. Market butcher leads the band. Leads the band. Take your profit. Take your profit. Take your profit. Take for a take. Good night. Good night. Good night. Ready? Ready? Ready for a blowback. Let's go. Let's go. Wake off coffee, charts are calling me. Walk value where I wanna be. Retail buying every candle high. Smart money smiling, watching from the side. Boner candle straight up high. Everybody screaming, now we buy. 5 minutes later, everybody cries. Market butcher, no surprise. Hey, smart money, smart money. News so quiet, news so clean. Hey, smart money, smart money. You don't chase, you wait and see. You wait and see. Mustang trader drawing every song. Market butcher never chase alone. Randy's waiting, FEMA never lies. Top 40 smiling, another payout. FVG never lie. Top body smiling, another payout night. Miss cheering, 요즘 shouting. MQ 30, still we're counting. Jane Bond yelling, hit that light. Everybody dancing through the night.
Slippery, cold, heavy, not gas crazy, keep it steady.
FVG, 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 FVG. One micro, one my trade. One clean setup and get paid. No revenge, no despair. Tomorrow's market still be there. Think is breathing roughness. Woof. Dogs got better discipline than half the room. Hey, hey, smart money, smart money. Everybody crack your head. Hey, smart money, smart money. Market butcher leads the band. Leads the band. Take your profit. Take your profit. Take your profit. Take for a take. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Ready? Ready? Ready for a glow dance. Let's go. Ready, ready, ready. Let's go. Wake off coffee, charts are calling me. Walk value where I wanna be. Retail buying every candle high. Smart money smiling, watching from the side. Boner candle straight up high. Everybody screaming, now we buy. 5 minutes later, everybody cries. Market butcher, well, surprise. Hey, hey, smart money, smart money. Move so quiet, move so clean. Hey, smart money, smart money. You don't chase, you wait and see. You wait and see. Mustang trader drawing every song. Market butcher never chase alone. Randy's waiting, FEMA never lie. Top body smiling, another payout night. Miss cheering, 요즘 shouting. MQ 30, still we're counting. Jane Bond yelling, hit that light. Everybody dancing through the night.
Slippery, cold, heavy, not gas crazy, keep it steady.
FVG, 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 FVG. One micro, one my trade. One clean setup and get paid. No revenge, no despair. Tomorrow's market still be there. Think is breathing roughness. Woof. Dogs got better discipline than half the room.
My apologies.
Smart money,
Well, I guess it wasn't a bad idea to exit that trade there. So
smart money. Market butcher leads the band.
sorry, bro. I'm good. I'm good.
Leads the band.
You know, the morning ritual, man. Morning ritual.
Take your profit.
I had to go open up the chicken coop after I used the bathroom. Smart Money tune should be on Guitar Hero. I know, right?
Good night.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Flag pattern for me.
Pull up short worked on 5-minute ES. Yeah, I know. This bearish fair value gap. Good rejection there. So. Oh. I know, right? Just it flushes you, doesn't it?
You okay now? Huh?
Deuce, 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 deuce. Well, we are holding a higher low here though, so I mean this could possibly still pop, but you know, with FOMC coming up, guys, I think you gotta keep the risk down. You know, take less trades today. No need to push it, right? No need to push it. So we got about 11 people watching in YouTube, 10 people in my channel, 1 person in X or in Nick's channel. And then we got 6 people in Nick's X and 5 people in my X. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Good to see ya. What time do we got here? 8:30. I don't know, guys. What time is FOMC's at? I think it's at 11 a.m. my time. I'm talking 8:30 my time, sorry. It's already 11:30, so I think it's 2 p.m. for... $2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? Okay. 11, hey? So I'm up 6 trades today, up 235, 83.33% win rate. Yeah, 11 a.m. Fed rate decision, 11:30 a.m. Fed press conference. So,
Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures.
yeah, we're just stuck in this range here.
Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates.
We still have those orders down. We have 199 contracts down at 27,500. Right below the lows here. The elevated life. What's up, buddy? How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? So I feel like my day isn't very green. I'm up 235, but keeping that in mind, I did take 2 banger trades on my eval. So I'm up 192 in my top 1 futures eval, and I'm up 565 in my blue sky account. So beautiful. Loving it. Got a couple of small wins in my Lucid funded flex accounts. Those guys, one's up at 1,577. The other one's up at 1,727. Hoping to get those guys up to 3K. Take Profit Trader Pro account 52,313. So 2,313 in profit. Once I get up to 3,000, I'll probably think about taking a payout on that one. Just bring this back down to the actual buffer, 52,100 area. So maybe I'll take, you know, about 900 bucks out of that one, hopefully. So that one's about 700 away from that.
Lucid funded account, stacking them piles. Top 1 codes got the whole chat smiling. Even the bear's been dancing a while. Late night Globex, candles glowing blue. Tradezilla journaling. Discord vibing. No tilt, no fear, just bass hits. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. Market butcher got the whole squad
MNQ's dirty. I really got to go through this playlist and weed out some of these songs. I need to make some more space for some new songs. You can only have so many things loaded to it. So you go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 52, 4, 6, 8, 60. Got like about 62 songs loaded right now. Doesn't seem like it though. Goes pretty quick when we're streaming for a few hours, cycling through the songs.
Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pat Van calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. 1 micro today can become a house built.
All right, 19 people watching right now. 14 in YouTube and 5 in X. And we are pushing back down here, guys. Maybe we're going to go for those 27,500 level here. About 50 points to the downside still.
Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade? Do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like hell. Doc bar stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. 1 micro feels too much. Real trader stuff.
Just gonna target IB low here for a quick little scalp. See if we can just lock in a tiny base hit here. Looking like we want to head lower. Come on. A little more. Come on. Cutting it. I cut a break even. I didn't really like the way that we bounced there off of the IB low. Looking for a little push below that. Didn't get it. So good thing I cut it there. Basically got a break even on that trade. $2.50 profit. Didn't really did not like the way we bounced off the IB low there. I mean, this might still go, but might end up getting a bit of a bigger bounce here. So just trying to protect the profits that are in the account. I just wanted it to go on that candle, right? It might still go, but it's a little too choppy for my liking. So Kyle asked what AI made that beat. I love how it like throws in. We got so many chat people's connected to these songs. But guys, it is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I think I'm gonna just wrap it up here. I mean, we caught some nice banger trades, you know, 180 in the top 1 futures account. I think it's 360-ish in Blue Sky, 70 in one and 30 in the other of my Lucid funded flex accounts. 180 in the take profit trader from yesterday. So pretty much all the accounts traded. Oh yeah, I forgot. I took a trade, $150 in my top 1 futures funded account also. So 100K account there. So yeah. So I think we're just going to wrap it up here. Part-time, Dave? Just kidding. What's that? Part-time trading? Just stopped out on the IB trade. Was a fun trade. Looked like it was a bit too early. Yeah, I think so. Hey. I should be spending more time on the charts. Is that what you're saying, Clee? Not tonight, no. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe. I'm not gonna say for sure at this point, but I'll post in the Discord and I'll if I'm gonna get on later. Let's see how the day goes. I got a bunch of stuff to take care of. If I can get everything done at a decent time, I could definitely think about getting on. I do want to start putting in a couple more nights here and there to just help continue with the growth of the channel here. So, but yeah, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Let's just say do our little shout out.
Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Have and calling levels 81 too high.
Thank you.
Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt, one mic.
Yeah, we'll stream for Klee. Okay, top fans in the house. Thank you. Night Build Audio #1. Thank you for the super chat there. Wayne, Czar, FN Trades, Zexy, Born Hunting, Madrid Trades, Marty Trades, sorry, Marty Trades, Jerry Trades Futures, Lafta, Ryan Entourage, Kyle Shees, Clee Torres, and the Elevated Light. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. It was a fun little session. We got some greens. Hopefully you guys caught some bangers too. Nice short out of the gate. Made some nice profit there. So, but yeah, thanks guys. We will be live for sure tomorrow morning, possibly later tonight. Don't hold me to it 100%, but I'll let you guys know in the Discord ahead of time if we're going to go. Let's see how the day goes, if I can get it done. So yeah, we would love to see you on stream. We would love to. You're welcome to join anytime. Even if you want to just do voice only, that'd be cool too. If you're a little shy in front of the camera or something, you could always just pop on the voice and everybody would love to hear from you. But yeah, thanks everybody. We will, I'll let you guys know if I'm going to go live later. If not, for sure, tomorrow morning, we'll see you then. So thank you, everybody. Love you. See you on the next one.
No revenge, under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide, Globix all the way. Discord loaded, milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive.
But don't worry, Clee, I got other work to take care of. That's why I need to get off. So my day is far from done.
Another 3 feet. NQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market but your gang, just stick to the flows. Go heavy, if you ain't ready. Mustang trader, market but your crew. Base hits forever, that's what we
see you, wrong trade. Give Ralph a boop for me. Yeah, I'll definitely do that for you. Thanks, Kyle. Okay, guys, peace out. Have a great day. Stay green. Be careful with FOMC, guys. You know, it's best to avoid it. It's pretty much gambling. I mean, if you're going to do it, make sure you do it on, like, I don't know, an eval or something that you're willing to lose. Don't go crazy and risking your funded accounts on some crazy trade in the FOMC. So be safe, guys. And we'll see you either tonight or tomorrow morning. So peace out. Bye-bye.